Historiesbanorna, History Reconnaissance. This is the World War II drones of the US Navy. Starting in the story is the radio-controlled OQ aircraft of the Radio Plane Company, and in the cast, Norma Jane, aka Marilyn Monroe. After the Battle of Midway in 1942, the Imperial Japanese Navy Air Service was unable to put together many fleet carriers with well-trained aircrews. The battles that followed decimated the veteran aircrews more and more, and replacing their combat experience proved impossible. In 1944, the Japanese aircraft had become obsolete, and many inexperienced aviators had to fight against better trained and more experienced US Navy airmen in radar-directed combat air patrols. The survival of the ships depended on the skill and accuracy of the anti-aircraft crews. The light weapons used were a 40mm Bofors and a 20mm Oerlikon. Heavy anti-aircraft guns such as the 5-inch was also used, and they could blow a kamikaze out of the air. One way to train the AA crews was the use of radio-controlled target drones. The OQ-2 radio plane was the first mass-produced drone in the United States, manufactured by the Radio Plane Company. A follow-on version, the OQ-3, became the most widely used target drone in US service, with over 9,400 being built during World War II. Here is Norma Jane Doherty, later known as Marilyn Monroe, working in the Radio Plane factory in 1945, posing in front of an OQ-3 engine. The photographer from Yanks magazine credited with discovering her is David Conover. David's commanding officer sending him to the Radio Plane factory was future US President Ronald Reagan.
That's all folks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.